Welcome to Family and the Feast. In this video, we're going to be making garden salad.
And I have my daughter Cassie, who's going to be helping me today. Let's get started.
Here are the ingredients you'll need for your garden salad. We have lettuce, balsamic vinaigrette, black pepper, Italian dressing,
radishes,
red onion, red and yellow sweet peppers, carrot, honey, oil, and croutons. The croutons are optional, so the first thing we're going to do is get started on chopping up our veggies. So we're going to use a piece of Bounty because when we're chopping our veggies, it's going to help absorb all the excess water.
Here is how I like to keep my sweet pepper, guys. Red sweet pepper. I'm gonna add that in. So guys, I forgot to mention you will also need some cucumbers for your salad. I'm gonna bring my bowl on the top. So guys, I'm gonna use a mandolin to slice my cucumber. So guys, with my mandolin, I'm gonna slice my beets as well. And this is how your beets will look. So I'm gonna grate my carrot and I'm gonna hold it sideways so I get some long strings. And here's my carrots. I'm gonna add that in there. And for my red onion, I'm gonna chop them with a knife. Just wanna get these nice and thin. Just open them out a little bit. So here's a look, guys, after I finish chopping my salad. I'm gonna take my Bounty paper out now and I'm gonna give this a mix. Look at all these pretty colors. So I'm gonna put this on the side and I'm going to work on our dressing now. So guys, I'm gonna add my Italian dressing in. You're gonna add in your balsamic vinegar, my oil. Guys, for the oil, I'm using some avocado oil. You can use olive oil if you prefer. It doesn't matter. And I'm using some honey. Now I'm gonna grate some black pepper here. And we're gonna cover this. And you're gonna give it a good shake and make sure that they're all combined. So guys, your dressing is all done here. I'm gonna empty it into my serving bottle.
Here's a look at our salad and our dressing. When you're ready to serve it, you can pour your dressing over it because you don't want your salad to sit in the dressing for too long. That way it'll get soggy and we want our salad to be nice and crunchy. Chloe's not gonna try the salad because she doesn't eat this healthy. I personally don't like salad, but I'm gonna try it because this dressing is so good. Okay, let's try it. This is really good, guys. The dressing gives it a great flavor. I hope you guys tried this recipe.
We hope you enjoy this recipe.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you for watching.